And we are back. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy. And we're in Flavortown. Well, that's right, we're up here at Myrtle Beach Mall.
On a little strip of road that's got a 25-cent car wash right across the street from a Scandinavian college and across the street from the Oregon Ballet Theater and not too far away from where Laverne and Shirley rode their bike.
You gotta thank the folks at Flavortown for inviting us out for this exclusive inside look before they open. This is the newest attraction coming to town this season. Folks have been really excited about this one. Obviously, Mr. Fieri has a pretty big following. His sauces are pretty popular.
How do you pronounce the name, Guy Fiel?
A lot of people call it Fieri, but the E, the R, and the I in Italian, you roll it, Fieri. So I just explain it to people, Fieri, easy.
Of course, the question has persisted. Is this town big enough for two guys? He likes his game shows, quiz shows, all that kind of fun stuff. I've been watching Triple D's since I was a kid, man.
Sweet to eat. It's big flavor. Gosh, that's good.
It's almost as if it's two guys sharing one brain, right? I'm gonna keep going with these guy jokes as long as I can. Now, we've been talking about this place for a while, and we're pretty excited.
Now this place is huge, and they've got tons of games, and some of them are even Flavortown themed. And you all know how much we love a good theme here. I even found this awesome Godzilla game.
Nicely done. Come on down.
They got Plinko. Yeah, it seems like we're into a lot of the same things, like crazy shirts and chili dogs.
And we're both Chevy guys.
Yeah, they even have a 1968 Chevy Camaro, just like his. If you follow them on Instagram, you can see how they got this thing in here. Look at this, they even have a Flavortown coin pusher. And what is this? Every dad's favorite game. And yeah, you guessed it, it's an arcade version of every dad's favorite little mini game at the gas pump.
That's like the ultimate dad video game right there. That's gonna be...
Look at this, even the carpet's amazing in here. There's tons of cool stuff at the winter station. I remember when all you would win at the arcade's like a mustache comb. Then it was time to get a few frames in. That's right, they have mini duck pin bowling lanes here. If you're not familiar, duck pin is a regional style of bowling with smaller pins and smaller balls. It's a little lounge sort of area here, and you can even order food specifically for the bowling alley. I've really been excited about this one.
So yes, duck pin bowling. This is indigenous to my hometown of Baltimore City. I duck pin bowled. My parents duck pin bowled. My grandmother was in a league. She would destroy me every time I tried to play her. I don't even know that I've ever seen a Brunswick duck pin ball before. That's crazy. Now I'll warn you, it is harder. Duck pin is harder than regular bowling. It's not about strength, not about speed, it's about skill. 2 rolls and then, that's what I'm left with. But
Oh there, pal. Don't forget your third ball.
Hold on, wait, hold on.
You get 3.
3 balls. I see it all so clearly now.
Yeah, you get a third ball in duck pin.
crazy.
And I'm real excited about this one. They have their own Tiki bar. There's this whole attached lounge and sitting area, and a menu just for the Tiki bar as well. And they've got all kinds of mixed and frozen drinks. But if Tiki drinks aren't your thing, they've also got beer on draft, including local beer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back and do a whole episode just for the Tiki bar. I have a feeling I'm gonna be bending an elbow here a couple times this summer. Well, then they called me for my table, so it was time to grab a bite. And let me tell you, this guy's got a good eye for aesthetics. This is just exactly the type of vibe we like. And you gotta love a big open kitchen plan so you can see your food coming. Check this out, they even got cloth napkins. And they have tons of options. I wanted to start off with the Motley Q Nachos.
Yes, man.
This is some cheesy nacho magic. Alright.
Now this was like barbecue pork, pickled onions, sour cream, cheese. It was delicious. And the chips were even seasoned. You know, it reminds you of when you get those bag full of Doritos and they just put a bunch of chili and cheese on there. And I just had to try the pimento cheeseburger. With shredded lettuce, fried onions, and of course, local favorite, pimento cheese. If you don't know what pimento cheese is, find out, trust me. And this burger was so good, and that pimento cheese just adds so much flavor. And I really like how we're starting to build our burgers out instead of up. And a burger's not complete without a shake, so I had to try the s'mores milkshake. I mean, look at this thing. Toasted marshmallow rim, graham cracker crumbles. Yeah, there's nothing better than a good milkshake. And of course, what would any good themed restaurant be without a gift shop? You can get anything you can imagine Guy Fieri related in this place. You can literally cover yourself from head to toe in Guy Fieri gear. And a wide selection of his spices and sauces. Yeah, you guys gotta check out. I gotta try one more time. Okay, yeah. Check out Downtown Flavortown at the Myrtle Beach Mall.
Stay positive if that's how you do it.
Retro Myrtle Beach Guy.com. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy.com. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy.com.